We on? Okay, so you just saw part 2, so I deleted the first part. Don't ask why, I just did. So, we're going back to Among Us. I'm so sorry my voice is actually so soft. I don't know why it is. It just is. So I'm also kind of doing school stuff. Shh. We're doing free play right now, though. Just looking at my hang of just, doing stuff. I'm so freaking slow. I'm so slow. I want to tell somebody. I want to hear. There. The beauty of free play is that no one kills you, except if you're an imposter, you can make yourself imposters. Happy about that. But yeah, so in part 2, I'm on resolving to part 2 because Cameron's off or whatever. So yeah, there's gonna be part 2, but it'll be in Roblox. I will be playing multiple games in Roblox. I'll actually be talking about what I was gonna be doing for this. I guess you could call giveaway. Yeah, I guess you can say giveaway. About In Adopt Me. Super excited. So let's go make me imposter because I actually really enjoy being an imposter. It's so cool, and I'm so glad free play to make yourself an imposter. Makes life easier. Okay, be an imposter. Okay, so. No one so I might just vent. I wish that they could actually move. It would make life easier. There's no point in venting, it just makes life easier for me, so I don't have to keep walking. Oh. I can't figure out how to do that. How do you do that? Oh yeah, I shouldn't walk that way. So obviously I am going to jump into the actual game. I just wanted to go in free play to tell you about part 2. But yeah, in part 2, I'm basically just going to be talking about the giveaway and sorts. I call this target pudding. This is fun. Okay. What you looking at? What you looking at? No. Oh, y'all gonna die. Y'all gonna die. You are so gonna die, and I'm gonna save you guys just to be salty. Or what? Okay. Say yellow. Yellow. Yes! The beauty about free play is I can actually get one or something like that. So I'm actually pretty happy. I'm ready to kill some people. Hey. Hello, Red. Hello very much. I want to troll some. Oh my god. Okay. I want to troll and kind of not want to troll some. It's hard trolling dummies. It's so hard to actually troll dummies. Oh, yes. Okay, where's my charger? Shoot. Okay, so I'm kind of on the spot for you. Okay. This isn't working one bit. Let me get my charger. It's so freaking short. It's so short. Does this work? Come on, charge. Okay, there. We're gonna leave and join a beautiful game. I might get copyrighted, so I'm gonna not continue that. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted because I don't have money to stop copyright or whatever. So. Let's see what we get. Score. Let's do this. I'm still gonna speedrun this. We're so fast. So I'm a sabotage O2. Right now. Oh. This speed is crazy. Yeah, so just I didn't have to do anything. I just killed one person. Wow, that sucks. Well, I know sometimes it's way too powerful. We just gotta wait. They should have actually fixed it though. But yeah, so if I go quiet, it's because I'm actually doing science right now. You. Hate this. But yeah, I have school. I'm in school right now. I'm waiting for math, which is at like 110. I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys that I am back with gaming content. That's right, I am now an official gamer. I will be gaming from now on, so I can't play Fortnite or Minecraft and stuff because the money's on my phone, so that's something. But I am actually really excited. Oh, we started. Stop it. You have my feeling. I am ready to not be imposter because I have the worst luck ever. Except for when I got imposter. That was not bad luck, but trust me, I have very bad luck. So. Let's see, what do we get? Crewmate is so boring. Okay, if I'm being honest here, crewmate is the most boringest thing ever because you're just trying not to die. I'm trying to find it. Who's that? Like, I saw a hack, but I think that works, but it doesn't work. Six. Oh my. Okay. But yeah, so I'm actually really excited. Boom. Because I am gonna officially game, and I might need help from all my friends that know how to game. So, also guys, if I'm doing something wrong, please tell me. I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Comms is useless! When I do my third comms is useless. I'm gonna die. Y'all are sus. Just say I was with dark blue and cyan. What? Corel a hero camera. So pink or lime. It has to be pink or lime. I feel like pink self-reported just because. La 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 la. The words of wisdom. I think pink self-reported. I'm throwing pink under the bus. I think pink self-reported. No joke, I actually think pink. Oh my god, that was one of them! Ah, shoot! Shoot! No, but I'm gonna say if I like it, that's why, yeah, I want it. I got it. Ah, wait, I can't even sing. I'm sorry, guys. Now I know it's one of them. Now I know it's one of them. Ooh, y'all made a big mistake. So, I saw I had task right here. You can tell that's not me because I'm doing this. If the asteroids go off, that means I'm not imposter. I suck at this. Should turn the volume down. Pink. Pink. It's so pink. I'm voting pink. I don't care what anyone says. I'm so voting pink. Pink was so sus in the beginning. But I swear, if it's cyan, I'm gonna be so mad. I hate you, cyan. Wow. I trusted you. I trusted you. Yeah, she was. Yeah, she was. I got my own type of stuff, so I have to explain myself to you. You're all sus. I'm throwing everybody in the bus. So I'm gonna end this soon, just so you know there's gonna be part 2. Posting this on Saturday. I will also post part 2 on Saturday. So both videos will be posted. But I'm making both videos today, Wednesday day, because why not? So all y'all are sus, I'm just saying, but like they can't hear me. But I'll probably do like live and have you guys join my beautiful live on Sunday after I post those 2 videos. But yeah, coming back, but I'm obviously doing gaming now because my other contact, I don't know what else to do. So yeah, I'll be playing Roblox and Among Us. Yeah. So yeah, after this one, I will stop and post the part 2 later in the day. Oh, I'm gonna do 2. Okay. I'm gonna stay far away from Otik. Ducky. Wait, Ducky killed an O2, I feel like. Okay. Just saying. Are you kidding? Oh, thank God. Thank God. You're just mad that I vote pink last round, and that's a straight fact. Straight fact. Try vote me. Try vote me again. Try it. Try it. You're all dead now. Try it, sis. Try it. I did this. Now I'm going to security. I'm going to sell to security. So I'm just going to go to security, and then whoever walks in here will die in the hands of me. So I'm just not going to move, and I'm going to act like I'm on security cameras. Ducky, kill. Yes. Where? Who? Okay. Self-report. Okay. Boom. And I don't care. Bye, bye, bye. Boom, chicka boom. I said, you just got Okay, I'm gonna end part 1. There will be